Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and today I'm gonna make an unboxing of Woodland sandals. और जैसे आज मैं Woodland सैंडल जो है अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाला हूँ और थैंक यू सो मच। जैसे आप लोग के वजह से मैंने 12,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स रीच कर चुका हूँ। थैंक यू so much for helping me in reaching 12,000 subscribers. So I'm making a video. I started making video in Hindi and English, so it's a combination. So आज ये वीडियो मैं अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाला हूँ जैसे फ्लिपकार्ट से मैंने मंगवाया है। So which cost I got it from Flipkart and I'm going to show you the price which I got it for. I think it's inside the invoice. So before getting into invoice, let me just open the package. So I'm going to open this package, guys. So this is how it looks. Let's open this. I covered my cutter, so I need to peel it off. And I got it for 1,492 rupees. So the package, this is how the Woodland looks like. So you can see it from all the sides. And let me just open this. So you can see, guys, this is how the package is. And this is the sandal which I bought. So there's nothing else. Let's keep this apart and just open this. So I got it for 50% off. So I'm gonna show you how it is. So any product they give it for discount, it will be having a slight minor defects. So I hope even this should be having a slight minor defect. Let me just check it out if there is any defect. Okay. You can see over here there are like the glue which is come out over here. So it's a light defect, and you can see over here the glue part, and then why they sell the product they give it for discount price. So this was an unboxing, guys, of this particular sandal, and you can see. So I'm gonna try this, but I'm wearing my shoes, so I cannot remove now and show it to you. But this is how it looks, guys. So I think this video was useful to you. These are original, genuine leather sandals, guys. You can see the serial number over here, and I'm gonna show you the trick in next video, that how to find out whether this product was sent for you for the first time or it was a repeated order. So I'm going to show you this, and I hope this video was useful to you. So please do subscribe my channel if you're not yet subscribed and watching for the first time. Please do subscribe and click on bell icon and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. And thank you so much for your continuous support. आप सबके लिए धन्यवाद मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए, वीडियोस अपलोड करने के लिए, और थैंक यू वीडियो देखने के लिए। प्लीज़ मुझे सपोर्ट कीजिएगा।